How does Google Cloud support real-time data processing and analytics? Google Cloud provides several services and tools to support real-time data processing and analytics. Here are some key points. POAB Google Cloud POAB is a messaging services that enables asynchronous communication between independent applications. It allows you to send and receive message in real time. You can use POAB as a messaging backbone to stream data from various sources to downstream data processing and analytics system. Cloud Data Flow. Cloud Data Flow is a fully managed data processing services that allows you to process data in real time or batch mode. It supports popular programming models like Epic Beam, enabling you to build data pipelines and perform transformations on streaming data. Cloud PubSub for data flow. The integration allows you to easily ingest data from PubSub into cloud data flow pipelines. You can process streaming data using cloud data flows capabilities such as windowing, aggregations, and complex event processing. Cloud Data Proc is a managed Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark service. It allows you to process large data sets in real time or batch mode. Leveraging the power of distributed computing, you can use Spark streaming to perform real-time analytics on streaming data. BioQuery is a fully managed serverless data warehouse and analytic platform. It supports real-time data ingestions through streaming inserts, enabling you to continuously load and analyze data as it arrives. You can run SQL queries on streaming data and combine it with the historical data stored in the BioQuery. And data flow streaming as well is a featuring of the cloud data flow that allows you to write SQL queries to process and analyze streaming data. It provides a high level abstraction for real time data processing, making it easier to express the complex computations.